Today we're sharing a massage oil recipe and a few different options for customizing your blend. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of carrier oil, and you can use any carrier oil you like, but we recommend a nice light oil like fractionated coconut, apricot, or grapeseed oil. And then you'll basically add a combination of your choice of 60 drops of essential oils, and we have some recommended combinations. For a romance blend, you can use 20 drops of vanilla oil, 20 drops of ylang, 10 drops of cinnamon oil, 10 drops of pepper oil. Then for a relaxing blend, we recommend 20 drops of lavender oil, 20 drops of rose oil, and 20 drops of chamomile oil. So another option is to do an infusion. So you'll have 1 cup of carrier oil, and then you can make a tension release blend using a ½ cup of dried lavender. And there's a few different ways to make an infusion. So we talk about a few in our different recipe videos and in the book. One that we recommend is a stovetop method where you place the oil and the herbs in a pot and just keep on a really low heat for about 30 minutes until the herb is infused into the oil, and then you can strain it out. So we recommend lavender, but you can also use dried chamomile, dried rose, any kind of herbs or flowers that you like. And then for this tension release blend, you'll add 20 drops of chamomile oil and 10 drops of peppermint oil, and you'll add the essential oils in once the carrier oil infusion has cooled down. For this video, we're going to make a relaxing massage blend. So we'll mix our cup of fractionated coconut oil in with our 60 drops of essential oils. The reason we're doing a full cup of oil for this recipe is because you generally use quite a bit of oil for a massage, but you can easily make this smaller or double the recipe. Just keep in mind that you want 60 drops of oils per cup of carrier oil. And if you're doing an infusion, you want ½ a cup of herbs or flowers per cup of carrier oil. When all of your ingredients are added, you can transfer your oil to a pump bottle. So we're using a funnel here, but we have kind of a small funnel, so we're going to use a measuring cup to transfer our oil just so we don't spill it. And you could use a screw top cap for this, but we find it easiest to use a pump bottle. And that's how you make your customizable massage oil.